This afternoon I'll be speaking with Carme Pinós, international architect who has her base in Barcelona. And the key points that we're going to talk about is how she sees the evolution of the field of architecture in her practice. She's an architect who works not only as a practicing architect but does research, teaches. She has a lot of experience in using different materials. So we're going to talk about evolution, I hope revolution, in terms of processes, materials, and the profession. I think it's an extremely exciting moment for the whole building sector and all the industries around it. Never before in our history have we seen such evolution, such transformation. And this comes from several things. Of course, technology, but it also comes from globalization, sharing more knowledge, and it comes from us working together more collaboratively across industries. We see a great change in supply chain. There's no longer the fragmentation, but we need the different aspects of the supply chain to come together. We're looking at construction companies who are innovating and trying new ways of building. We're also hearing from developers and architects the need to use technology in sustainable and creative ways. And all of this is under an umbrella of the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals. How do we do all of this but keeping in mind climate change and the goals of sustainability? This year, Rebuild, located in Madrid, it's really exciting. I didn't expect that there would be so many people within the hall. And of course, we're all following the security and safety measures, but there are lots of people connected online. I think it indicates to us the very special moment that we're living. People are excited about the future, they're looking to the future, and they know that the best way to do that is by preparing. And coming to Rebuild, where we share information, we see new products, we understand the concerns of suppliers, industry professionals. It's a great way to start this new era.